Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 80 of the small account challenge, and if you didn't watch recap from yesterday, I lost 1800 bucks or 76% in one day. So I was just spiraling down and trading in the hours I never trade. So it was a disaster, really bad day, and I was considering actually just skipping today's day, which is Friday, because I felt really emotional. So, however, I set up a goal. I wrote a goal for myself that I want to make $25 a day, and my stop loss will be also $25 a day. So I decided to take a trade. So I ended up with $37.95 of profit, or 6.81%, which was a good green day. I put my account almost to 600 bucks. I was the starting balance in the morning was around 557, and when I finished trading, my balance was around 595. So $37.95 was my profit, and I used unsettled cash again. So this would be an amazing end of today's trading, because I set up my goal at 25, made $37.95. So awesome start of recovery. However, I did not finish there, and I started trading again with unsettled cash, thinking that now it's a day when I can recoup more losses. So it was pure greed, not appreciating that I was able to make money, and not walking away. And I finishing my day with minus $49.72 cents of loss, or 8.92%. So let me show you my trades in the trader view. As you can see, this is another disaster. Took more trades than I did on Thursday. It was a really good idea for me not to trade on Friday and give myself time to recover from this huge loss, and for 3 days being away from the market, it would help. Plus, in one of the videos, in future videos, I will explain you how I deal with such big losses. So let me explain you something else. So as you can see, I took today 481 trades. Insane. And this is the amount of trades I usually take. Probably like maximum 10-17 trades a day with my 2000 balance. That's how many trades I take a day. This is just, both days are a disaster. I'm glad that I was able to get away from Friday with a smaller loss. So this loss is incorrect, because this loss does not include fees and commissions. Charles Schwab charging for basically taking lots and lots of trades. So my total commissions on Friday were $58.50. I don't know how Charles Schwab calculate commissions, but on Friday I'm down $49.72, or 8.92%, as I said earlier. So very bad trading. I'll show you my curve on Friday, if it's gonna show. You see, I was down first when I started trading in the pre-market, then I was up by $34, then I took a risk, was down again, was up again, and this is just BS, full BS. You see, here I was down even more, $100 on a day. Same, 107. Then I was up again, $31. Did not walk away, started trading again, and this is just, here I was $48 on a day. Did not walk away, and ended up again almost, like this day, as you can see, I walked away before after hours closed. So after hours closes at 7 p.m. So here I decided to walk away, even though it was still a disaster. So this is my day, and here's gonna be a plan for a week ahead. So 6th of October, I'm starting differently. I already have a restriction on my account, so I'm not gonna be able to use unsettled cash. I'm gonna be able, starting on 6th, trading only with cash. So I'm gonna take only one trade a day with whole account. So the rules will be following. So my goal will be $50 a day, and my max loss will be $25 a day. So you know my rules. If you watch my daily recaps, I have this calendar that I did not follow completely in October, and the rules are following. So I cannot average down, I cannot hold my loser for over 10 minutes, and I cannot hold my loser. Here I put 20 cents. The rules will be different right now. So since I put my whole account into one trade, my max loss will be $25. So new rules will be, I cannot hold my loser for over $25. If one of the rules that I just mentioned will be broken, what I will do is I'm gonna cut my trading cash balance in half. So this is gonna be my available cash to trade on the 6th. I'm gonna be able to take only one trade, and if I follow 3 rules, as I mentioned before, I'm gonna be good to start trading again with this balance, or with, let's say I made $25 this day, or 30 or 50. So next day I'm gonna be trading with full cash balance next day. Again, only one trade. So if I did not follow one of 3 rules, this is gonna be my available cash to trade next day. So basically I'm cutting my cash balance in half because I did not follow one of the rules. So if on the 7th I did not follow rules again, my cash balance will be cut in half, which is going to be 125 another day on the 8th, and so on. So in order for me to go back to 500, I need to have at least 2 days when I follow all of 3 rules. So let's say on the 6th I did not follow rules. On the 7th I am trading with 250. I follow all of the rules. This is day number 1. Then on 8th I followed rules again, and this is day number 2. On 9th I can start trading with $500 again. So this is an idea that I wanna follow. And again, if I went down to 125, in order for me to go back to 250, it's gonna be at least 2 days when I follow these three rules. Then I can go back to 250, and so on. If it's not 125, it's gonna be 125 cut in half, and so on until I start following my rule. So if you follow my channel for a long time, you know that I like to spend, basically to a penny my cash balance when I day trade. So there were some days when I walked away, took a profit, but this is not usually what I do. So this for me will be pretty difficult to follow, and I hope that I can stick to these rules. So this is how I'm gonna approach my trading starting from Monday the 6th, and I hope that this idea will help me to keep me accountable and become a profitable day trader, because this way I can stick to following my rules each day, and I hope this will help. So always remember, trading is risky, and if you saw from my yesterday recap, these are the typical results of most of the day traders, because most of the day traders fail and lose money in the stock market. So if you want to learn how to trade, first find your strategy, then practice the strategy in simulator before putting real money on the line. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.
Good morning, guys. Looking at XELB, it's pretty much giving us an idea what is going to be happening with the stock. This is a big drop from 257 to 239, and it can drop to 174 easily. So everything that was yesterday on after hours scanner, this is what we have today. Like literally nothing. There is a ASNC possibility. What was the high in the pre-market? 67 cents. $0.67 was the high. MACD is negative here. Two minutes left until 7. No news on any stock. I feel like this one also like a lottery ticket. You buy and hope that it's gonna go to 67 cents. Have lots of red candles. ACTC 20%. No volume. $7 o'clock. XELB is dropping. This one is moving higher, looks like. put on the side a sticky H just in case. The high yesterday was $4 after a huge sell-off. Yeah, right at $6. There is a MOBX with news. Looks like MOBX with news. Waiting on 1 minute pullback. I'm gonna buy this pullback in with 100 shares. We'll see if it's gonna hold. And this one was 113. We're above VWAP now. Selling. Look at this. Trying to buy again. Buying 100 shares for the break of VWAP. It's breaking VWAP, moving higher. I'm gonna edit another 100 shares. I'm gonna sell this thing. Trying to sell. Trying to sell. Come on. Looking at the sticky H from yesterday. I have only can only buy OVD on a scanner. OVD on the scanner. Private placement, I see. Trying to buy. Bought 100 shares. This is a private placement. I wanna add 25 shares, added 25 shares. I'm with 125 shares on the stock on a private placement on OVID. We squeeze through the high of the day to 10. Looks like we're moving higher. Very heavy on the top. Orbit is 19% only on a day. Nice move, I hope it's gonna hold. It's holding. We'll see. We have a lot of buying right now on the stock on this OVID. OVID again on the scanner, 211 is the high. %23 on a day OVID. Need to look at the daily. OVID is moving higher. I think it has a potential to move another dollar share. To 20, can we move to 225, then to 250? Sold 25 shares. We'll see if this pullback will be bought up. To 25, I see to 25, to 26. I think we can move to 250. Trying to sell another 25 shares. High on the top, selling another. Have 25 shares left of the stock. Looks like we're squeezing, moving to the possibly to the 250 level. Oh, the idea is a leading gapper now. So now we have a pullback. On the 1 minute chart. I'm gonna buy off UWeb. Bought off UWeb 100 shares. I'll see if it can bounce back. to 10 as a VWAP. We're breaking. I'll see if it can move to above 216 to the high of the day. 215. 217, 218. Our VIT is 28% on a day. Currently below VWAP. Bottoming tails on it, which is good, but I don't like big red candles on it. To 11 is a VWAP. We're breaking VWAP again. To 10 was VWAP. Actually broke it. Was a false breakout. Selling. Was trying to sell. Sold. I'm in with 200 shares on the stock. Trying again. The high on this one was 220. Can it break 220? 214. 212. Not good. 213, 214, 215. We're breaking. Nice. We're moving higher. 216, 217. Good. We'll see if we can squeeze to the high of the day, which was $2.41. 215 to 16, nice. There is a difficulty of breaking to 20 level. 29% on the daily stock. To 15 to 16 to 15, back again. Now I cannot break the 20. A hidden seller there. To 17 to 19. Looks like we're gonna break now. We're breaking now, moving higher, nice. Moving to the high of the day. which was 241.